Tired of your Rockstar Games account being tethered to your Epic Games account? Let's sever that connection. It's simpler than you think. First, head over to the Epic Games website and log into the account you want to unlink. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your username. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. Find the option labeled Account and click on that. This takes you to your account settings page. On the left-hand side of your account settings page, you'll see a menu. Look for the Connections option and give that a click. Now you'll see a list of accounts connected to your Epic Games account. Scroll down until you find Rockstar Games. Spot your Rockstar Games account. Great. Next to it, you should see a Remove button. Go ahead and click that. A confirmation window will pop up, asking if you're sure you want to disconnect your Rockstar Games account. Read the information carefully. It might mention potential impacts to game progress or content. If you're ready to proceed, click the Unlink button to confirm. And that's it. Your Rockstar Games account is now unlinked from your Epic Games account. You can now link your Rockstar Games account with another Epic Games account.